Hello, Spyder fam. Well, today is the day. I'm finally going from that piece of crap chair to work on the Spyder to the new Vyper chair. I've been waiting for this for a long time, at least a year, and I finally got it. I was waiting for a decent color. And this one is called the Ghoul Edition. It's a special limited edition for Halloween. And you can see the parts are white on it. And when it gets dark, it day glows. So that's going to be a pretty neat feature. The big reason I wanted white, of course. Big pooch. Both my vehicles are white, the bike and the truck. My daughter's car is white. My son's car is white, and my wife's minivan is white. As my grandfather used to say, good guys ride white horses. So all my vehicles are white. I try to make them always white, unless I find some really, really good deal on something I can't pass up. But as you can see, I got my work cut out for me. I'm going to put this together here, and I'll get back with you as soon as I'm done putting it together. I was going to do a whole video of how to put it together, but seeing how there's so many parts, I think I'm going to wait till it's done. And I'll just show you it assembled. Vyper has plenty of videos on their website showing how to put it together. So I think I'm going to utilize that resource to help me put this one together. And then I'll show you when it's all done and sitting next to the Spyder, so you can kind of get an idea of how nice it is compared to that cheap piece of plastic garbage that I've been working with for years and years and years. Now I do have one other little stool over here. That's my Gas Monkey Garage one. That's a nice little stool. No back support or anything, but it's really nice because it's an A-frame style, so you can turn it on its side when you want to and use it as a step stool. So that comes in handy. As you can see, the garage is a mess. I got to start picking up stuff and getting rid of crap because we got way too much stuff in here. My workbench is a total mess. Everything is a mess. So that's my next job this week during the shutdown. Hopefully one day this week I'll start picking up in here. But right now, it's Operation Vyper Chair. I'll see you again in a little while, and hopefully it'll be all together with no hiccups. Big Pooch, out. Okay, Spyder fam, we're back. As you can see, chair's together. And like I said, I got the tool tray attachment for the end and the big boy seat, so you're not sitting on that little round circle. It gives you a little bit more space. Came with a cool sticker, so didn't say where to put it, so I put it there. Again, this is the white Ghoul Edition for Halloween. It glows in the dark when you turn off the lights. I'll have to come out later and see how that works at nighttime. Wasn't too hard to put together. Directions weren't great, but they weren't bad. Had a couple extra screws left over in bags, but they weren't listed as supposed to be in the package, so I didn't miss anything. There's nothing missing. It's working good. Chair's fine. Very happy to have it. Glad to see that red one going down the road soon. So tune in next time for another something to do kind of Spyder-ish. I mean, this wasn't Spyder, but I'm going to do a lot of work on the Spyder with it, so hopefully it works out good. Big Pooch, out. Hello, Spyder fam. Just thought I'd give a little update. There she is, glowing in the dark. The Ghoul Edition Vyper chair from Vyper Industries. Big Pooch, out.